How to become a software programmer in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most in-demand careers in the world, software programming. If you've ever wanted to create apps, build websites, design games, or simply work in a high-paying, remote-friendly job, this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to become a software programmer in 2025, what programmers actually do, and how long it really takes to get your first job. Let's get started. What does a software programmer do in 2025? Programming in 2025 is not just writing code, it's solving problems. A software programmer builds applications, mobile apps, websites, desktop software, writes, and tests code. Fixes bugs, works with AI tools like GitHub, Copilot, and ChatGPT designs. Features users need, works with teams using Git, Jira, and Agile systems. Some programmers specialize in cybersecurity or back-end systems. Others build apps for iOS, Android, or cloud platforms like AWS and Azure in 2025. Programmers are more powerful than ever because AI tools help them work faster. That means companies expect programmers to be creative, good problem solvers, able to explain technical ideas, comfortable using AI tools, always learning new technologies. What skills you need to become a programmer in 2025? You don't need a university degree. You don't need to be a genius in math. You need these four essential skills. 1. Learn one programming language for beginners in 2025. The best choices are Python, most beginner-friendly, JavaScript, web development, Java/Kotlin Android apps, Swift, iOS apps. Python is the easiest to start. 2. Learn how to solve problems. Programming is not about memorizing code. It's about logic, conditions, loops, functions, reading error messages. 3. Learn Git and GitHub. Every company uses it. It shows you can work with a team. 4. Learn AI coding tools. Companies expect programmers to use ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Cursor. These make you 2-3 seconds faster. 3. The roadmap to becoming a programmer. Here is the clear step-by-step path. Step 1. Choose your path. What do you want to build? Websites, learn JavaScript. Mobile apps, learn Swift or Kotlin games. Learn C#AI and automation. Learn Python. Cybersecurity, Python plus Linux. Choose one direction. Step 2. Learn the basics. Spend 1 to 3 months learning variables, loops, functions, lists, and arrays. If-else conditions. Basic algorithms. Focus on understanding, not memorization. Step 3. Build projects. This is the most important part. Examples: Toto app, weather app, calculator, portfolio website, simple game, AI chatbot. Data scraping script. Projects show companies that you can build real things. Step 4. Build a portfolio. Put your projects on GitHub, a simple website. LinkedIn employers. Look at this first. Step 5. Specialize. Choose one focus. Front-end developer, web UI, back-end developer, servers, and databases. Full-stack AI engineer, mobile developer, game developer. Specialization makes you more employable. 4. How long does it take to become a programmer? 1 to 3 months gives basics, 3 to 6 months gives build projects, 6 to 12 months gives job ready. Total, 6 to 12 months if you practice consistently. The more projects you build, the faster you'll get hired. 5. What jobs you can get in 2025? Programming has many job roles: software developer, web developer, mobile app developer, AI and machine learning engineer, cloud engineer, game developer, back-end developer, front-end developer, automation engineer, data analyst. Python. Salaries vary by country, but programmers are among the highest paid in every region. Remote jobs are everywhere. 6. How to gain experience with nitrogen monoxide job. If no company wants to hire you yet, do this. Build more projects, contribute to open source on GitHub, do freelance projects on Upwork/Fiverr. Create small apps and upload them to Google Play. Make websites for small businesses, join hackathons, practice daily coding challenges. These show experience, even if you've never had a job before. What subjects you must learn for software programming? These are the core subjects almost every software engineering or computer science student learns. 1. Programming fundamentals, what you learn. Variables, loops, functions, arrays, lists, object-oriented programming, debugging and testing best books, Python crash course, Enigmatis, automate the boring stuff with Python, Allswigart, Headfirst Java, Cathy Sierra, and Berth, Bait, DOS. Data structures and algorithms. DSA. This is the most important subject for programmers. What you learn? Arrays, lists, stacks, queues, trees and graphs. Sorting and searching, time complexity. Bigodynamic programming, best books. Introduction to algorithms. Corman, Leiserson, Rivi. Steinsay, Elere, Grokking algorithms. Oditya Bhargava. Best for beginners algorithms. Rabarse. 3. Computer architecture. What you learn? How computers work internally, CPU, memory, registers, assembly basics, how code becomes machine instructions, best books. Computer organization and design. Patterson and Hennessy Code. The hidden language of computer hardware and software. Charles Petzold. 4. Operating systems. What do you learn? Processes and threads, memory management, scheduling, file systems. Basics of Linux, best books. Operating system concepts. Silber's chats. Galvin. Gainy Dinosaur book, Modern Operating Systems. Andrew Tannenbaum. 5. Databases and SQL. Would you learn? Relational databases. SQL indexes, transactions. NoSQL? Basics, best books. SQL for data analysis. Kathy Tanimura, database system concepts. Silber Sia and Sudarshan, NoSQL. Distilled, Sadilage and Fowler. 6. Software engineering. What do you learn? How to design software, UML diagrams, testing, project architecture, Agile Scrum, best books. Clean code. Robert Say. Martin, clean architecture. Robert Sam Martin, the pragmatic programmer. Andrew Hunt and David Thomas. 7. Web development. What you learn? HTML, CSS, JavaScript front-end frameworks, React, Angular backend. Basics opening parenthesis. Node.js, Django, Laravel APIs, and REST. Best books a look at. JavaScript. Marin, have a beak. You don't know JS, Carl Simpson. 8. Computer networks. What you learn? Internet architecture, TCP/IP, routing, DNSH, TTP, packet transmission, best books. Computer networking. A top-down approach. Caros and Ross. Networking, Olden. 1, Emmett, Dulaney. 9. Math for programming. Math is not super advanced, but these subjects help. Discrete math sets, logic proofs, graph theory, linear algebra, matrices, vectors useful for AI, calculus, basic functions, derivatives for ML, but optional for basic programming, probability and statistics, useful for data science. Best books. Discrete mathematics and its applications. Rosen, linear algebra done right. Sheldon Axler, practical statistics for data scientists. Bruce Gattel. 10. Cybersecurity basics. What you learn. Encryption basics, hashing authentication, secure software design. Best books. Security Plus Guide to Network Security Fundamentals. Champa, the web application, Hacker's Handbook, Stuttered, and Pinto and Say, artificial intelligence and machine learning optional. But modern. What'd you learn? Neural networks, training models, Python ML libraries, Data Preprocessing Best Books. Hands-on, Machine Learning, Aurelian, Heron. Deep Learning, Goodfellow, Bengio, Courtevel.
Don't forget to subscribe.